Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder lesson number 2. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is come. Here's a picture of it. Like come to me. Here it is in many different languages. Pause it to find yours. Come means move or travel toward or in a place near to the speaker. So come to the speaker. Come. Past, came. Past progressive, was coming. Present, come. Present progressive, coming. Future, will come. Let's build a sentence. I came. So remember, he, she, it, and a name, the verb has an S. But here we don't have an S. Plus, it's past tense. Let's build a sentence. I came. Where? Where did you come? I came home. Let's build a sentence. I came home. Why? Why did you come home? How? How did you come home? When? When did you come home? Let's choose when. I came home late last night. Let's build a sentence. I came home late last night. Why? Why did you come home late? Because I got lost. Let's build a sentence. I came home late last night because I got lost. Where? Where did you get lost? Because I got lost in the city. Let's build a sentence. I came home late last night because I got lost in the city. When? When did you get lost? Because I got lost in the city after the game. Oh, okay. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed your second quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. So keep up the great work, and I'll see you again next time.